ang uniform ni Juan.
So, may mas.
First 5 on Negros. And we're live and live on the Facebook page of Basketballista Mike. It's Negros versus Isabela. Our first game, first match.
Plus 5.
Plus 5 ba? Yuri!
Eh, isa ko lang jersey. May isa ko lang jersey. Plus 5 tayo, ha?
Ibibigay na ba?
Saan na ipapasok? Third quarter, first? 5. Kaya napasok. Ayun ko na, third quarter. Napasok ko points. Third quarter na.
Ngayon na, ganun din eh.
Paalam natin ba? Plus 5 ko na, ha? Oh, kayo. Walang uniform, eh.
Plus 5 kami. Sa third na.
Third na?
Patambak muna kayo. Patambak muna kayo.
Ball game! First season, first 205, first position of Isabela. Okay, nice shot coming from Yuri. 2-0. Favor of Isabela. Now Negros. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On number 10, no, Negros. 3-2. 1 point lead on Negros. Same ball. It's 3-2. 1 point lead on Negros. Rebounding Arroyo to Alonso. Alonso now. Arroyo first attempt. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Arroyo. 5-3. 2 point lead on Isabela. Now drive, running, it's still now past time to shoot. Rebound on Bernardes. Now Negros attack, looking for Bernardes, stop pick, drive, easy jump, rebound on Alonso. Now Cuenca, nice pass, turnover on Isabela. 8 minutes and 50 seconds our time, 5-3. It's 2 point lead on Isabela.
Thank you, Lord. Sino? Hindi ko kilala.
Same spot! Bang, bang, bang! It's now 6-5. 1 point lead on Negros. Now Yuri. Oh, same ball as referee Mark. Side, 8 minutes and 20 seconds, 14 to shoot.
Next, extend ka. Next, extend kamay.
It's a 1 point lead on Negros. Arroyo again, same spot, short. Rebound on Ramos. Now Ramos looking for Pingol. Now Pingol. Now third spot, attempt. Now Pingol is still on Cuenca. Cuenca running all the way, pick. Nice pass, and selfish pass coming from Cuenca now, 7-6. It's a 1 point lead now on Isabela. Nice step back, short. Rebound on Isabela. Now Yuri now, running, gunning. Yuri stop running, it's foul. On number 29 on Ramos. First on Ramos. First team foul against Negros. 7 minutes and 31 seconds. It's a 1 point lead on Isabela. It's 7 against 6. Second free throw of Yuri. Yes, it's 1 out of 2 coming from Yuri. It's 8-6. 2 point lead on Isabela. Merced. Again, back-to-back turnover on Negros. 7 minutes. We're live on the Facebook page of Basketball Mike. Welcome back to our season 2025. Nice play. Yuri attempt. Again, too strong. Rebound by Ramos. Ramos to Bernades. Bernades now looking for Ramos. Ramos acting as a point guard. Now looking for Merced. Merced to Pingol. Pingol. Now back to Merced. Same spot. Big. Merced drive. Kick out pass. Castillo. Again, in and out. Ramos. Elbow jump. Yes, on Ramos. Now 8 all. It's a first deadlock of the game. Now Yuri. Nice pick. Yuri all the way. Too strong top. Rebound on the veteran Castillo. It's 6 minutes and 37 seconds. A Pingol. Now Merced. Nice pass downside. Oh, what a selfish pass. Coming from Negros. Now 10-8. A 2-point lead now on Negros. What a selfish pass coming from Ramos to Castillo. Now Cuenca. Big. Cuenca now. Nice steal up for Yuri now. Yuri now drive. Yuri. Back to Cuenca. Cuenca. Favorite spot. In and out. Now it's Bernades. Let me try. Let me try. Let's move. Too strong. Rebound top. Now Yuri. Back to Arroyo. Arroyo back. Big. The fake man, nice pass. Now drive down. Di ba lang Arroyo? The fake man now. Fake man now. Again short. Fake man again. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 5 minutes and 47 seconds. Now Yuri. It's out of bounds. Out of bounds of Isabela. It's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Remaining time. First quarter, first game. For our inter-province category, it's Negros against Isabela Paco Bulls. Now Merced. Drive. Nice defense by Cuenca. 1-1. Now harass by Cuenca. Cuenca looking for Castillo. Castillo big. Now guard better. 10 to shoot. Ramos. Castillo. Too strong. Rebound on the fake man. Still again on Castillo. Now it's Isabela ball. Isabela ball. 5 minutes. Time out. On Negros. And our first time onto the game brought to you by Basketballista Mike, Negros Slashers, Isabela Papa Bulls, and Color Sports, Abu Dhabi.
Dugi tayo sumot.
Dugi man.
Gamitin na tayo ng support quarter. Sino na tayo mo?
First, second, third, isa. Tapos doha sa tumoy.
Okay naman boss ko man. Okay naman boss ko. Diba?
By quarter man. Ay, by half man. Yawar mo kayo rules game mo.
Nagkabal na sila na ito.
Sa bagay, dugi.
Yuri. Short. Rebound on Ramos. Still now by Cuenca. Cuenca, nice pick. Cuenca walk, too strong. Yuri motivated. Bang! Basket count on 1 on the brother. Foul again on number 29 against Ramos. It's second on Ramos. Second team foul against Negros. 10 all. It's 4 minutes and 50 seconds. It's 1 out of 1 against Gutenberg now. 11-10. 1 point lead now. Isabela Papa Bulls. Now Merced. Kali by Cuenca. Now it's ball rotation now. It's Pingol. Pingol guarded by Yuri. It's the veteran versus the rookie. 1-1. 10 to shoot. Ramos. Big. 5. Pingol. Whoa! What an elbow jumper from Pingol. It's 12-11. It's now 1 point lead of Negros. 4 minutes remaining time. Arroyo. Fake drive. The fake man. Looking for the birthday. Fake. Is it it? Fake man again. Oh! Nice steal. Same ball. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 4 minutes.
1-2 na lang. Angat kay Rex. Bantayan na na Rex.
Inbounding Alonso. Nice fake. Nice drive for the birthday. Drive. Whoa! Alam mo ba escape by Monte now 13 to 12. It's at 1 point lead now. Isabela. Merced. Drive. Escape. Nice kick out pass. Steal. Oh, steal again. Looking for Yuri. Now, Yuri now. Driving now. No hesitation play. Return. Where are you? Looking for Monteverde. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 14 to shoot. Rebound by Castillo. Nice Fernandez. 1-1. Save spot. Nice pass. Oh, saved by Castillo. It's out of bounds. Out of bounds by Negros. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 30 to 12. It's only 1 point lead on Isabela. Now Cuenca. Looking for Monteverde. Back to Cuenca. Cuenca now. Drive pick. Looking for kick out pass. Yuri. Yuri drive. Again. It's still by Negros. All alone. Merced. Now Merced. Hang Chan. Too strong. Short. Rebound by Yuri. Now Monteverde now. Stop. Pull out jump. Too strong again. Ramos. Looking for Bernardes now. Bernardes looking for Ramos. Ramos. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Still again on the rookie. One about block by Ramos. Now Merced. Merced now. Looking for Pingol. Pingol. It's foul.
Ay, foul.
Foul on number 2 on Cuenca. It's first personal foul against Cuenca. First team foul. Isabela. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Rebound top. It's foul on number 99 on Castillo. It's personal Castillo third against Negros. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. First quarter, first game. For our inter-province category, it's Negros versus Isabela. Cuenca. Cuenca drive, fake. Cuenca now, kick out pass. Isabela now drive. Now it's the fake man. Fake man, too strong. Fake man again. Fake. Fake. 1, 2, 3. Fake. Blank by Castillo. Now it's now Merced. Running, gunning. It's 3 on 2. 3 on 4. 2 on 2. Merced. Foul. Foul on number 13. On Alonso's person. Alonso, second team foul against Isabela. 2 minutes remaining time. 14 to shoot. Now Merced. No hesitation shot. Top. Rebound top. It's not the fake man. All alone. It's Cuenca. Cuenca move. Cuenca. Again too strong. It's Negros ball. Negros. It's 1 minute and 52 seconds. 13 to 12. Isabela by 1. Merced. Looking for Bernardes now. Bernardes to try. Too strong. Rebound again Castillo. 14 seconds clock. Castillo elbow jump short. Rebound now. It's Isabela. Isabela 3-2. Oh! Again back-to-back turnover against Isabela. It's 1 minute and 34 seconds. 13-12. Still 1 point lead. Against Isabela Papabols. Now Merced. 1 minute and 30. Now Pingol. 1-1. Escape. Pingol again. Nice fake. Pingol. Elbow jump. Too strong top. It's Castillo. Bernardes. Bernardes. Let me try. That's Alonso. Again steal. Fake. Bernardes. Oh! Now 14 to 13. It's 1 point lead on Negros. Steal again. Now Ramos. Ramos! 16 to 13 now, 3-point lead on Negros. 1 minute. It's back-to-back steal coming from Negros. Yuri. Now Cuenca. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Cuenca. 16 all. It's a fourth leg of the game. Merced, let me try. Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Merced! 19 to 16. It's a 3-point lead now. Negros, 30 seconds. Arroyo. Yuri, drive. Wow, the rookie Yuri, now 18, 19, 15 seconds. 10. Ramos, elbow jump short. Castillo. bang, bang, bang! On Castillo! And on the first quarter, it's 22 against 18, all by Negros. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Uy! Do, ito. Extra motion to ah.
Saan po kayo? Siyam? Tabla.
Second quarter, it's 22 to 18. It's a 4-point lead on the Slashers, Negros. Second five tayo, second five.
Pag third quarter.
Hindi, kasi nakapasok na yung dalawa sa kanila. Dapat test na ngayon eh.
Depende naman sa roles bawat liga. Iba-iba yung roles sa bawat liga.
Third lang. Ano lang pa time plus, no? Useless. Pati ko dalawa.
May house rules na bawat liga. Iba-iba.
Tatanong lang, sir.
Okay lang.
The Slashers, nice pass to Bingol. Alagates pass now, 24-18. It's a 6-point lead now against Negros. Now Parcari. Pass to Valeriano.
Kabila. Ikot.
Valeriano now. Nice pass to Nakwa. Bang! Easy shot coming from Nakwa. From Valeriano. Sigura. Kani may Biray. Still may Biray. It's Biray, 2-1, 2-2. Biray now. Looking for Valeriano. Valeriano goes to coast. Short, Madrid. Now it's Suarez. Suarez now. First time, too strong. Rebound now. It's Valeriano. Parcari now. 3-2. Parcari. It's 3-2 again. 4-2. Nice pass. Steal. It is Soleba. Foul number 7 on Madrid. It's first on Madrid. First team foul on Negros. Lupito shot coming from Miss Sole. It's 8 minutes and 40 seconds. It's 1 out to 2 coming from Miss Sole. It's 24 to 21. It's only 3-point lead on Isabela. On Negros, rather. Ten to shoot. Pingol. Pow. Bang. Basket count on 1 on Pingol. Foul number 12 on Nakwa. It's first on Nakwa. First team foul against Isabela. It's 26 to 21. 5-point lead now on Negros. 8 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Second quarter, first game. Now 27 to 21. It's a 6-point lead now on Negros.
Shooter! Titira, kahit malayo.
Parcari. Back to Valeriano. Nice move by Valeriano. Again, nice defense. Rebound on Suarez. Pingol. Pingol, right. Pingol. Bang! No one can stop me. Pingol. 21 to 29. Negros by 8. Parcari. Pull up jump. Too strong. Rebound. Out.
Sa amin. Rebound namin.
Double foul on number 7 of Madrid from Negros and number 12, Nakwa of Isabela. Second personal foul on Madrid and second personal foul against Nakwa. It's 7 minutes and 29 seconds. Now Sigura.
Prep.
Segura escape. Segura short. Madrid now. Madrid escape now. 10 to shoot. Yung Malaluan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Malaluan. 32 to 21. Now 11-point lead on Negros. Short. It's a first shot coming from Biray. Now 6 minutes and 50 seconds. 32 against 21. Still 11-point lead on Negros. These Clashers. Now it's Segura. Segura looking for swang, bang, bang, bang. It's raining 3 from Negros. 35 against the 21. 14-point lead now on the Slasher. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Parkari. Sisole. Back to Parkari. Expect Valeriano. Whoa! Hanapay coming from Valeriano. It's 23 to 35. 12-point lead on Negros. Madrid, bang! Still again on Valeriano. Valeriano now. Let me try. Valeriano to Parkari. Whoa! It's Parkari. 25 to 35. Slowly but surely now, Isabela. It's a 10-point lead now, Negros. Segura. Madrid. Looking for now one. Short. Mako. Now Valeriano again, 2-2. Valeriano coast to coast. It's Negros ball. Negros, 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Now Segura. Foul. Again on number 12 on Nakwa. It's third on Nakwa, third person, 13 foul. Against Isabela.
Host foul rep!
It's number 12 on Valeriano. It's Valeriano. We have two number 12 in the court. Valeriano and Nakwa. 7. It's 13 foul. Isabela. First personal foul on Valeriano. 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
Last shot. Okay, time out, boss.
Time out! On Isabela, 36 against the 25. It's 11-point lead on the Slashers.
Dito mo, sa leg mo. Ito.
Dandanan mo.
Five minutes, 20 seconds remaining time for our second quarter. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista Mind. Now, Biray. Valeriano, back to Biray. Steal by Segura. Foul on Biray. First on Biray, warning for penalty against Isabela. Segura. In and out, his solo rebound. Now Parkari. Bye now, Parkari for 3. Foul!
Number 11.
Foul on Pingol. It's first on Pingol. Third against Negros. 3-2 shot coming from Parkari. It's 1 out of 1 coming from Park Tower, 36-26, 10-point lead. Negros, 3 minutes and 48 seconds. In and out. Rebound on Pinggol. Now it's Sigura. Malaluan again. Struggling violation on Malaluan. Turnover against Negros. Parkari. Biray. Nice elbow jump. Nice defense on Malaluan. It's Suarez. Looking for Pinggol. Pinggol. Right. Pinggol. It's foul. Foul on Biray. It's second on Biray. Now Isabela on penalty.
Malikod.
3 minutes and 9 seconds. It's 1 out of 1 of 2 coming from Pinggol. 37-26. Parkari. Foul again on number 7 on Madrid. It's third on Madrid. Warning for penalty on Negros.
Pero gawa ng yung sa post close na.
What? 37 against 27. 10-point lead back to Negros. Short top, Isole. Madrid. Rebound again, Madrid. Back to Malaluan. Rebound by Parkari. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Tira!
Huli ka.
Black. Foul.
Number 7.
Foul on Madrid's now. Negros and penalty. Warning on Madrid. Fourth personal foul against Madrid.
Sabayan lang. Sige, tandaan nyo lang. Basta lang, stop lang.
2 minutes and 21 seconds. Rebound on Pinggol. Pinggol. Guarded by 3. Pinggol. Foul. Foul on Biray. Third on Biray now. Penalty.
Balance lang.
James, kinakantsawan ka ni Jumong, oh.
Kain ko mo.
Masap.
38-27.
Dibaw.
It's 2 out of 2 coming from Pinggol. 39-27. Nakwa. Isole. Valeriano. Again, too strong. Tap. It's symbol. 2 minutes. 14 na set clock. 14. Isole. Tap. Rebound by Nakwa. Oh! Right place at the right time. Against Nakwa. 29-39. 10-point lead on Negros. Sigura. Kadre Biray. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul.
07.
Foul on 07 on Valeriano. It's second on Valeriano. Penalty. Two free throw shot for Sigura. .40 against the 29. Back to 11-point lead on Negros.
Mong dito na mo. Putik. Yan.
It's 2 out of 2 coming from Sigura. Pinggol! Running! Right! Pinggol! Skate! Coast to coast! Di ba agad Pinggol? Pinggol! Now it's Suarez, 10 to shoot, 10! Short! Now rebound by Valeriano. Valeriano, coast to coast, Valeriano, hang time, it's foul! Foul on number 1 on Sigura, it's person next Sigura, penalty. Both teams now on penalty. 30 for 41, 30 against 41, 1 minute and 4 seconds. It's 11-point lead on Negros. Madrid, Valeriano, again! Free throw by Valeriano. Now Madrid, 3-on-1 Madrid! Oh, and a shot by Madrid is 40 to 30 now. It's now Piray, Piray, Peg, Nakwa. Peg, it's foul. Foul on number 7 on Madrid. Madrid now, 5 fouls on Madrid. Timeout on Negros.
Paano yun? Pili sila.
4 seconds.
Oh, sub na, sub. Graduate na.
Hold
Number
out na,
7.
hold out.
Iba na yun? Ang bilis.
Kalit, goal na kanina na ako.
Pili kaya isa.
Utangin mo na lang yung ano.
Pili kaya isa. Isa, 44 seconds.
Oh.
Ayan na, third quarter na, 44 seconds. Sila pa pili. Pili kaya isa, sir. Ito kayo.
Siya, papa. Siya.
Pili kaya isa, 44 seconds.
Sa third na makapan.
Sige na, 44 seconds.
Hindi na makapan.
44 seconds.
Hey, labas, labas, labas.
Labas!
Sa third na lang.
Second quarter pa lang.
44 seconds.
44 seconds, 44 seconds.
Apo ah. Shooting ma eh.
Now 31 to 43. 12-point lead on Negros. 40 seconds.
Steady lang.
Now Nakwa. Falcari. Valeriano. Pisole. Wala mo! Pisole! 33 to 43. Back to 10-point lead on Negros. 20 seconds.
Correct.
15! Still by Miray! Miray to Valeriano. All alone. Valeriano. Wala mo kay Valeriano. It's 43 to 35. 5 seconds!
Doon na.
Basket galing.
Counted.
And no part. Third quarter. 43 to 35. 8-point lead on Negros.
Oh, bawas muna tayo. Balance. Oh. Bawas muna tayo. Negros. Isabela tayo. Bawas.
Pass mo na.
Ang galing mo pa. Oh, bawas muna tayo konti. Oh, Isabela tayo. Bawas muna tayo, Isabela.
Galaw mabuti.
Kaya pila lang.
Dire?
iPhone. 55. Ito na.
175.
Kasi wala si Jeff, wala yung ano. Wala yung manager namin. Wala si Maki nasa Pinas. Handaan na daw yun. 55 lang pera. Gcash. Sapo na ako lang.
Na-shoot yung paa niya nung sa gilid ng ano. Siya pa nagsabi kanina. Ingat-ingat sa butas.
Advance.
Jem, ikaw pa yung nagsabi kanina, ingat-ingat kayo sa butas. Ikaw naman yung nabagsak. Utang kapal!
Bawasan mo lang yung baon mo. Bibilang ka. Bawasan mo na siya. Alaga.
Para na naman ako siya dito. CDM!
Kulang din sila. Kulang sila. Oo, sabi nga nga po.
Bilangin mo. Ilang kayo? Siyam? Magtinsikon eh.
Kasi nasa iri.
Okay tayo, pre.
Hindi rin, dito pushing.
Third quarter. Only 8-point lead on Negros, 43 against the 35. Now Negros plus 5, now 48 to 35.
Sino team captain ninyo?
Kasi dapat kanina pag nakapasok sila ng kuna silang dalawa.
Wala yun, sir. Wala tayong ganyan.
Now 48 to 35 our score, 13-point lead now Negros. Isabela ball, Isabela. Defense on Negros. Third quarter. It's a 13-point lead now on Negros, 48 against the 35. Now Cuenca. Short. Oh, nice defense on Castillo now. 9 minutes remaining time, 45 seconds. 48 against 35. Isabela, Merced.
Sige, ayan nyo, makapagpatagal yung bola sa kanila.
Back to Merced.
Maganda yun, matagal
10 seconds to shoot. Ramos. Too strong. Rebound on Alonso. Now Yuri. 1-1, the rookie Yuri. Short. Now it's Merced. Pass. Still by Cuenca. Cuenca now. 3-on-2. Yuri. He should take. Now got to Torreira. Short. Too strong. Rebound by again by Alonso. Top. Now back to the Torreira. Same spot. Play. Now got to Torreira. Short. Now it's the agent Makalalad. Running, gunning. May Makalalad na. Yuri by steal again. Now it's kick ball. It's Papa Ball's ball. Isabela ball. 48 steal, 35. 13-point lead on Negros, 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Now Yuri, the rookie. Kachicharena, back to Yuri. Cuenca, drive, spot up. Now Kachicharena. Now the fake man, fake 2, 1, 2, fake man, short. Rebound by Ramos is foul. Foul on the fake man. Arroyo, it's first on the fake man. First team foul, Isabela. 8 minutes remaining time. 48 steal to 35. Merced. Now it's Paredes. Back to Merced. Ramos. Foul. It's a turnover on Negros. Now Yuri. Yuri, let me fly. Too strong. Now the agent. It's running violation. Turnover on Negros. Now Cuenca. Alonso. Back to Cuenca. Yuri. The fake man now, fake. Second time fake. What a ball by the fake man. Arroyo. 48 to 37. Again, Yuri still. It's Castillo, the veteran. Merced. Running, gunning. Nice defense by Cuenca. Now it's the agent, Makalalat. Kadi by Cuenca. Bernades. Too strong. Rebound on the Tuturana. Now it's the rookie. Pass to Cuenca. The rookie again, fake. Bang! What a ball by the rookie. Yuri, it's 39-48. Now first team foul on Negros. Spot up. Foul on Bernades. Jumper Petro shot. Bonus Petro from the Yuri, the rookie. 39-48. 9-point lead on Negros. Short. Yuri again. Oh, in and out by Yuri. Now, Agent Makalalan. The agent now, looking for Merced. 4-3. Short, top. It's Cuenca. Cuenca now. It's 3-on-3. Cuenca, let me know. It's Cuenca. 41-48. 7-point lead now against Negros. Now, Castillo. Looking for Agent Makalalan. Merced. 14 to shoot. 10. Makalalat, agent, elbow jump, short. Now rebound by Alonso. Now it's 3-on-2. Yuri the rookie. In out. Rebound by the fake man. Fake. Gang. Basket count and one on the fake man. Arroyo. Foul on the agent. Makalalat is first on the agent. Second team foul against Negros. 48-43. 5-point lead now. Negros. It's an 8-0 run coming from Isabela. Now 44-48. 4-point lead now on Negros. Slowly but surely Isabela's running. Number 7. Agent Makalalat. Fake. Time to shoot. Short. It's Alonso. Now Yuri the rookie. Too strong. Now Merced. 5 minutes. Merced. Nice defense. Bernades. Elbow jump. In and out. Rebound again Alonso. Now Yuri the rookie. It's Yuri now. Hang time. Bang. Time out. Oh, Negros now 46-48. 2-point lead now against Negros. What a play coming from Isabela. It's a 12-0 run coming from Isabela. Pwede na kayo mag-sub, ha? Sir, pwede na kayo mag-sub. Back to the ball game. What a game. It's a 12-0 run coming from Isabela. Mama Boys. What a great defense coming from Isabela. Now the agent Makalalad. Merced, top. Merced now. Nice pass outside. It's Castillo. Castillo now. 1-1 hits. It's double the ball on Castillo. Nice. Cuenca. Nice pass.
Skip, skip.
Bateman, 10 seconds to shoot. Cuenca. Turnover on Isabela. Pinggol. Nice high stayed by Yuri, the rookie. Merced. Kade by Cuenca. Drive, stop. The agent, short. Rebound on Cuenca. It's 2-on-2. The rookie, bang! What a play coming from Cuenca to Yuri, the rookie. 48-all. This is our first deadlock of the third quarter. 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Pinggol, let me try. Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Pinggol. 51-48. Back to 3-point Dino Negros.
Dos yan, Mark? Dos?
Dos lang, dos.
Diyos.
Rep, unsa to, rep?
Cuenca. 10 seconds to shoot.
Pare! Diretsa!
Still by Merced. Now the agent Makalalad. Merced now, stop up. Nice pass, it's self-base pass now, 53 to 40. Back to 5-point Dino Negros, 3 minutes. Bateman. Drive. In and out by the Bateman. Makalalad, the agent.
Walang dalawa.
Merced. Short. Castillo top. It's Cuenca. Cuenca now. Cuenca. It's 50 to 53. Back to 3-point Dino Negros. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Agent Makalalad. Too strong top. It's down top. It's now Yuri the rookie. Yuri now. 1-1. Yuri the... what a block to the agent. Yuri again. Yuri now. Looking for the Bateman. 10 seconds to shoot. Cuenca. Alonso. Time out. On Isabela. 6 to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot.
Okay na. Nasulti na si Bener. Press down. Ito ba mabalik? Yuri.
Tayo mo kayo dyan. Picture mo kayo.
Back to the ball. 6 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds to shoot.
Sige na.
Only 3-point lead on Negros. 53 against 50. 6 seconds to shoot. 6. 5.
Nice.
The big man again. Top. Now it's Suarez. Merced all alone. Merced. Half time. Merced. 55 to 50. Back to 5-point lead on Negros. Now the rookie. Drive. Let me drive. What a strong move from the rookie. Yuri. Now it's Suarez. 55-52. Merced. 1 minute and 10. 10 to shoot. Pinggol. Rebound on Gattucciorena. It's rubbing by the 1 minute remaining time. Merced. 10 to shoot.
Ano na? Ayan na yan. Ulam.
Short! 30 seconds!
Nice pass.
Bang! Basket corner one on Merced. Follow number 7. Person number 7, second team foul in Isabela. It's 57-55, back to 5-point lead on Negros, 23 seconds.
Nice.
58-52.
Rapa.
20.
Ito yan. Chase mo atake. Pwede naman salik.
15.
Bira.
10.
Laki. Kaya. Nice one. Ayan na. Pinipal. Wala na.
And now for third quarter, 58-52 score. 6-point lead against Negros. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter.
O, fourth quarter tayo, fourth.
Fourth na.
Negros ball, Negros fourth quarter. Fifty-eight to 56, 6-point lead on Negros. Negros ball, Negros.
Alim lang yan. Alim.
58 to 52, 58 against 52.
Kanina ba yung kanina?
Sigura, Parcari. Ayun ka. Isole, Acto Parcari.
Andun, tres. Nice one.
Short, top, Isole, Biray. Short, Pinggol. Whoa! What a skate move coming from Sigura, 60 to 52. 8-point lead on Negros. Nakwa. Black, but nice short. It's Negros ball, 8 minutes and 52 seconds. Agent Pangalanan.
Isa lang.
Short. Parcari. Walang pass. Big. Foul. Foul on the agent Mangalanan. It's second on the agent. First against Negros.
Shooting lang yan.
And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basket Police Tamay. It's Negros versus Isabela.
Oras. Gamit.
Now it's Sigura. Rebound by Biray.
Boklang.
Parcari. Nakwa. Same spot.
Nice one.
Bang! It's Nakwa.
Pressure na. Pressure.
60 to 54. Now Sigura. Drive, pop. Oh, nice defense by Nakwa. Parcari. 2 on 3. 4 on 2. Parcari pull out jump. Bang! Parcari. 60 to 56.
Sige, pressure.
Agent Makalalan. It's foul. Foul on number 12 on Nakwa. Warning on Nakwa, fourth on Nakwa. First team foul, Isabela.
Third na. First pa, first.
Nice play, Castillo. It's foul.
Isa lang, isa lang.
Sino?
Foul on Hisole, second team foul on Isabela, second on Hisole. First on Hisole, first on Hisole. Basket substitution direct, ba? Basket substitution.
Pressure tayo, pressure.
Sub.
Wala ka pa score, so. Isa lang naman.
Alonso. Nakakuha.
Mo.
Again, too strong. Oh! Tap!
Simon.
It's Negros ball. Negros, 6 minutes remaining time. Last quarter.
Pagod na yan, pagod na yan.
Time to shoot. Bye!
Bang.
Pinggol! Nice defense on Alonso. Now, Yuri the rookie. Oh, what about by Yuri against foul? Foul on number 1 on Sigura. Second on Sigura at second team foul on Negros. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 61 against 56. 5-point lead on Negros.
Serbol.
Still we're live on the Facebook page of Basket Police naman. Basket sa dito sunod. Short. Now Sigura.
Screen. Ay no. Yan. Kaya na.
Number 7. Sa dito sunod. Now it's 13 foul Isabela. Nice defense on Isabela. It's 5 minutes.
5 minutes pa, tagal pa.
Barkari. Nakwa. Barkari, elbow jump. Too strong again. Rebound by Nakwa. Bang. It's foul.
Lima na yan, Pinggol.
Foul again on 0 on the agent Makalalan. It's third on Makalalan. It's 13 foul against Negros.
Third din siya, third personal.
$57-61.
Nag-match siya. Namang nakulang plus.
It's 2 out of 2 coming from Nakwa. 61-58. Oh! In and out. Barkari. Nakwa. Nairi, stop! Isiday! Nakwa! Rebound, it's foul! Foul on number 12 on Nakwa.
Hold out.
5 fouls on Nakwa.
Mark, wait muna. Hold out pa.
Time out ka.
Timeout on Negros.
Paminaw. Dali ka.
Warning on Isabela. Warning for penalty on Isabela.
Hindi nga kayo na gano'n, no? Hold out. Sabi niya, hold out. Eh, gumanon kayo. Eh,
No, kayo, nag-video kayo. Gusto yung mag-viral? Gusto mo mag-viral? Mag-viral ko kayo. Mag-viral ko kayo.
okay lang. May avocado ka naman.
Nakwa out of the game. 5 fouls against Nakwa. Warning for penalty on Isabela. Warning for penalty. After the ball game.
OT pa. Alam sa 3 points para OT. Babay sa Yuri, lalim. Oh, goal! Taka na!
Whoa! Castillo!
Patay.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Guaga!
Babala konti.
2 minutes and 30 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Sigura!
Bigay, bigay.
Nice big man! 2 minutes and 19! Sumabing violation on Kuwaika. 2 minutes and 16, 66 to 61. 5-point lead only on Negros.
Yeah, double.
Sigura! Wow! Sigura agad! 68 to 61. Ang litit nyo! Bakeman! Nice bake! Bang! The Bakeman! Arroyo! 68 to 63. 5-point lead, Negros. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Time to shoot. Cuenca, 2 on 1.
Court pa lang, ah. Apat-apat. Apat-apat.
Unsportsmanlike foul on number 1 on Sigura. Now both teams now on penalty, warning for penalty.
Pasok mo tal, dalawa.
Wala siyang rules na gano'n.
Pala tayo, 2 minutes eh. Yun 2 minutes pala tayo.
Bailan niyo.
Kung ilan? Foul na, no? Number 1. Tatlo pa lang.
Counted that?
Oo, content isa.
64 to 68. It's the 1 out to 2 coming from Cuenca. 1 minute and 24 seconds.
Time out kaya? Sige, time out.
Time out! On Isabela, 1 minute and 24 seconds, 68 to 64. 4-point lead
Dong!
against Negros.
Dong!
Saan time out kayo?
Isa dito, isa doon. Sabihin.
Isa-isa kayo na natira time out.
1 minute and 24 seconds. Last quarter, 68 against 64.
Sino sabi?
Tatawag kami.
Hindi, kaya tayo magkama. Kaya tayo.
Wala pa tayo oras.
Pwede naman kayo magsama.
Hindi, pero ano lang, titira mo lang kami. Huwag mo kasi tayo depensa.
Pumasok sa sub kayo? Hindi kayo pwede yung unang mag-sub. Sila ang una dapat. O sila makashot.
Ayan na, bilisan nyo!
Dapat o.
Huwega!
Sila, bilang!
Ray!
Nice one! Aso! Sayang.
Rebound by Castillo. 1 minute and 10. Agent. Now Segura. 1 minute. Rebound by the
Ay, Paul!
foul. Wow! Basket count and one on the rookie Yuri. 66 to 68. Now Nicholas and penalty. 48 seconds.
Penalty sila, pwede tayo mag-isip ko.
Pressure na, pressure!
No foul na, no foul. 48 pa yan.
48 seconds. 48.
Oh, walang pa foul, walang pa foul. 48. Tagal pa. Pasok mo Yuri. Depensa!
67-68. 1 point lead now. Oh, Negros.
Time out shot, sir. ah.
Akalalan.
Nice one.
32 seconds. 32 seconds. 14 sets sa clock. 14. 14. Shoot.
Same ball!
32 seconds. 32.
Same ball! Wala! Rep, kaya bigay na.
32 seconds. 14 seconds. Sa set sa clock. 14.
Bigay screen, bigay screen. Guy!
32 seconds.
Roll, goy! Relax, relax! No, basuras to!
10 to shoot.
Relax, son!
20 seconds.
Nice one. Roll!
Whoa! Time out! Time out ka. Shot time out, shot time out. 17 seconds, 17.
Matik yun, oy. Matik yun. Gulili kayo. Matik yun. Basok kayo.
17 ha.
Penalty na.
Warning sila, penalty na.
Alam nyo ko, sabi sa akin kayo.
70 to 67, 70 against 67.
Walang time out.
Wala.
Tama isa.
Isa lang. Yuri, kuha. Huwag yung tao, ha?
Oh! 11 seconds.
Penalty. Postpone. Number one.
Foul on Yuri, 6:20-69, 1 point lead Negros. 11 seconds, and reps up.
Pumasok yun. Time out kayo, hindi.
Sa time out.
11 seconds, 11 seconds.
Huwag mo na. Labaw sila eh. Pagka time out kayo, lamang kayo.
Wala na kayo time out, wala na time out. Papaballs, wala na time out.
Baka lamang silang upset, pwede nyo mag-time out. Sebo lang. Wow!
11 seconds, 11.
Goy! Jumper isa, jumper! Guy, tawag mo, guy! Guy! Wala na!
11 seconds.
Berset! Shoot! Hey, bataw! Relax na.
4 seconds. 4. Penalty.
Four seconds? Anong 4 minutes? 4 minutes pa daw. 4 minutes pa daw.
4 seconds. 4 seconds.
Tusin tayo. Pasok mo yan.
And up!
And okay, our winner Negros, 74 to 69.
Mercedes.